Okay, let's talk Tailwind. This is totally an optional thing that you guys can get to help you schedule your Pinterest pins and or Instagram posts. So I utilize this to mainly schedule my Pinterest pins because I'm all about automation and all about scheduling things in 1 hour a day, and then you have your content for the next month or two. So what's great about Tailwind is that you can actually get a Chrome extension, and it's basically like a pin it button. So if you go to your Etsy, you can click on one of your listings, and the little Tailwind symbol that you see that looks like wings will pop up on your Etsy images that we have added from Canva, and you can directly pin those basically to your Tailwind account. And what this does is it will send these to your drafts, which is what this is right here. Obviously, you can tell I've already done a lot of specific pins, so I am doing more of my actual website pins right now. So a lot of these look similar, but yours would be more of your Etsy listings and product template images that you are going to be pinning and using on Tailwind. So once you click on that, like the Pinterest button, the little Tailwind button, it will throw it into your drafts. And what I really love about Tailwind is it makes it really simple and quick and automated to get your Pinterest going and traffic going to your Etsy site. You can do one board for all of your Etsy things. You can see down here it says Etsy shop, show it templates, and then I also do a couple other ones, show it website templates, show it inspo, Squarespace templates. So depending on what boards that you have that you're wanting to post your pins to, I recommend posting them to a couple different boards. So make sure you're creating enough boards that you can post to multiple ones with different content and different people that are going to be visiting those boards. So basically, it's a really good idea to do this for each and every one of your listings, each and every one of your images, and just get on there, put them all on the board. You can do multiple boards at once. So you can select 2 or 3 of these, and then you're going to scroll down to the descriptions here, and it'll show you which board you're pinning it to. We're going to enter that title here. So what we're going to do with the title is just like I said in the last video, whether you're pinning organically on the Pinterest app and adding it from Pinterest, from your business profile, or from Tailwind, you are going to enter the pin title, which is going to just basically copy and paste what you already have as your title on Etsy. And then once again with the description, same thing. If you're organically doing it from Pinterest, from your profile, or on Tailwind, we are going to just copy the first couple sentences and then once again put the long tail keywords from our title or some of our keyword tags into the description here. And then lastly, you want to make sure that all of these URLs are pointing to where you want. So whether you are driving traffic only to your Etsy, or if you want to drive it to your own website that you might have e-commerce or Shopify, something like that, selling templates, it's all up to you. But just make sure that all of these are in order before you add to your queue. Now, once you add them to your queue, it's going to save it and populate it in your schedule here. So Tailwind is really great. It has a great algorithm behind it so that they know when are the best times to post, when are your followers most active, and you don't have to think about any of that. So as soon as you schedule it, it will automatically populate it in the exact spots that is best for interaction and traffic according to your Pinterest profile. And then you don't have to touch it. It auto posts it for you, so you could have, a lot of content done just from pinning your images from your Etsy. So it's really automated, it saves a lot of time, and you can knock out a couple months of content just in less than a day of planning with Tailwind. So I highly recommend Tailwind. Once again, it is not a must-have to sell templates. I did not start using Tailwind until I was probably about 2.5 months in, and then I thought I would give it a try. And it has been a great time saver, especially since I started utilizing Pinterest to drive traffic. But it is not a must-have. Honestly, even if you just stuck with Etsy ads and didn't do any other marketing, you would still see results. But this is just a little boost to get you into marketing, into Pinterest, and driving traffic from other sources too.